So what we're going to do here is take this old Hewlett-Packard multimedia card, which is for my guitar playing, and I'm going to take out that, and I'm going to make my nephew a kid's computer with this. Got one more of this. Oh, it's been sitting up a while, you can tell that. So see how I wired up all these holes here for a fan. Keep it cool. It was a gaming PC at one time. It was a decent one. Let's see, let's turn here. Plug it. Got a whole more, so I'll go ahead and take that out. IDE 40 gigabyte hard drive, I think. So what we're going to do with this one is put Windows XP on it with a Linux distribution for kids related stuff, so my nephew can have something to play on. You know, put some Spider-Man games on it and stuff like that. He likes that card on this one. Okay, so alright, let's go ahead and yeah, we're going to take this. I hate these anesthetic wristbands because they want to just choke my arm. Take this card out. I always hold by the edges. This EMU card here. Thing I record music sometimes. It's old, but this is what I'm doing. I got a legacy computer underneath here that's got ports on this. This is a PCI port here, and what I do is I record music with this and do all kinds of cool stuff with that. And it's got like MIDI hats and stuff in it. Then you plug in with a ribbon cable. Do all kinds of cool stuff with that. So what we're going to do, set that over here. I painted this computer all on half-life. This was years ago I did this. So I give a shout out to my art teacher, Mr. Hope. Years ago, I think it was like 2000 something. Modified the case, drill holes in it. Now put me a 120mm fan in that someday. Let's see, I got a pop capacitor in there. There ain't nothing I can do about that. Cheap ass BioStar. I never buy a BioStar ever again. But I had a processor for bought 2 processors for like $10, and that's a pretty good processor for doing what I wanted to do. Streaming music and stuff. This is my streaming box, recording box. I do all kinds of stuff on this thing. It's a side computer I use for doing, you know, I can even do like little low-end scale video editing on this thing. 480p videos, 720p videos, stuff like that. I don't know how this got hung up underneath there. Here we go. It's a video capture card. It don't work too well on Windows 8. I got big old man hand, man. I got 3 hard drives in here. I use this one as a server and all that stuff. I had this on the bottom because that heat off the graphics cold. My phono cable is to VGA or whatever you call that. Come on, man. Some of these cables you gotta be really careful about. They're making this cheap ass stuff in China. So I have to hold these like this and then push them together.